This video tutorial demonstrates how to grade a VeriCite assignment in Moodle using the native integration. In your Moodle site, navigate to the assignment you would like to grade. Click on the View All Submissions button. The VeriCite report will display as a color-coded flag below each student's submission in the list. The color of the link is shaded according to the percentage of matching text found for that submission, with higher percentages closer to the red end of the spectrum and lower percentages closer to the blue end of the spectrum. You may click on the similarity link to open a VeriCite report directly from this screen, or you can click on the grade link for an individual student and then click on the similarity link from within the student submission grading screen. The VeriCite report will open in a new tab. For more information about navigating a VeriCite report, please see our Viewing a VeriCite Report as an Instructor video tutorial. Once you've finished reviewing the report, close the Report tab to return to the Moodle grading interface. Enter the grade and any additional feedback in Moodle, then click Save Changes. The assignment submission has now been graded.